Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and today I'm going to show you how to care for your Florida lawn in summer. Now, before I get started in this video, it's completely shoppable. So click that I at the top of your shopping list to keep your lawn in shape during the summer. Now, of course, summer in Florida, well, the biggest conversation is typically about rain. With all that water, your lawn is going to grow rapidly. So keep your lawn at a reasonable height. Besides looking good, it will reduce pests from setting up shop in your yard. You want to avoid mowing when the lawn is wet, as the cut is not as clean and it increases the likelihood of the turf clumping up in your mower. And check to make sure that your lawnmower blade is sharp, and keep an eye on how much water you're getting from Mother Nature, and make sure you're not over-watering with your sprinkler or irrigation system. Now, if you have an irrigation system on a schedule, make sure you're not overwatering it, which can attract disease and pests. Add pest preventatives that can keep everything from army worms to fire ants away. Take a look at how long the preventative will last and set reminders for reapplication. Having these nuisances in your lawn can turn a lush green turf into a brown disaster. Now, fertilizing in Florida depends on where you live and what kind of grass you have in your yard. When in doubt, take a photo of your lawn and bring a few blades of the grass to your local Ace Hardware. Lastly, if you see a weed, pull it out. Ignoring these only means they'll multiply over time. And that's it. If you need more advice or the products that we spoke about, go to your local neighborhood Ace store, because Ace is the helpful place.